Last time on Sailing Doodles, we made it to Tonga and had some of Laura's friends fly in to meet us. In this episode, we get some long-needed beach time and then sail to Fiji. You can follow along on our journey as we sail 15,000 miles from Canada all the way to Thailand in just 10 months. We couldn't do this without our patrons, so they get extra content like videos just for them. The day before, the streets have been crowded with cars and the market's full of people. On this day, though, there was hardly a soul around. And so Sunday in Tonga is a ghost town. I mean, yesterday just cars everywhere, people everywhere. There was a market with thousands of people, and today it's empty. Apparently there's only two places in town that are open. We're going to one of them. One of them's called Big Mama's Yacht Club, and so we're headed there. And then the other one's a nice little hotel downtown, but that's it. So, something to do. We didn't want to have to remoor the boat, and it was a little too far to dinghy, so we took a ferry across to Big Mama's Yacht Club. They call this the Gita bar because Cyclone Gita came through here a few months ago and destroyed their main structure. And apparently they had a really nice dock out over the water and everything, and it's all been washed away by the cyclone. It's kind of sad, but they're still up and running. The only place in town on a Sunday. It's pretty sad. Apparently it's a pretty nice place. They got like pool tables, a nice bar, everything out here. It was all washed away in the last hurricane. The property damage to Tonga was pretty bad, although there were no deaths actually caused by the storm itself. That didn't keep the Tongans down, though. The whole country was happy, smiling, and rebuilding. Cheers, guys. Stay in the sun. We decided it was a great spot to get in a little snorkeling. Jumping off of old rusty ships has become a hobby of mine.
Seashell coins.
It's pretty cool. I'm more concerned about your fashion attire.
No, you're the aqua sock boy. This is fancy.
All she needs now is a fanny pack and she'll be great.
Oh, if it was waterproof, I'd be wearing it.
The pigs look pretty happy, but I'm not sure they knew they might be on the menu soon. The rain started coming down, but that's when the fun started. We were about ready to set sail to Fiji, but first we had a few errands to run. So we started doing, pouring it is so messy and it's hard to do, and you gotta take into account the wind and it's really hard to get back there. We started siphoning it. Yes, I know they have the newfangled siphons where you shake it and all that, but consider where we are and how to get one of those. So garden hose, never a fun job. Messy job, somebody's gotta do it.
Rough man?
No smoking, please. Port Authority fees paid, now we go check out. When dealing with customs officials, it's always a good idea to remove your ball cap and dress as nicely as possible. They see a lot of crusty characters, and it's just a courtesy to their professionalism. With the proper paperwork in hand, it was time to head out. The first thing we did was release our mooring lines and let the boat swing out into the channel, and Thad had to go retrieve the lines.
Oh my god! Like, oh my muscle!
Go the other way with it. Go the other way with it.
There you go. Don't that water flow in there?
On longer passages, we like to store the dinghy on the deck, as I think our davits are just a little weak. All that was left to do is pull up both our anchors, and we were on our way.
We're going to Fiji!
Tune in next time as we make it to Fiji and check out some of the fire dancing shows.